In this video, we're going to look at how to use Google Tasks. So the first thing you need to know is how to find it. So over on the far right-hand corner of the screen or of this video, you'll see this little taskbar or little bar or toolbar that is available for Google Workspace. Now, the third one down from the top is Google Tasks. Now, if you're unable to see this, if you look down the very bottom right-hand corner, there's a little arrow that juts out. Now, if you hover your mouse over this, it'll say Show Side Panel. And when you click on that, this little bar will pop out the left-hand side. So if we click on the task option, and what will happen is any task that you've created will load up in here. Now, it's super simple to create a task. We just click Add a Task. You can put in the title, so it might be follow up with gift company. You can add in any extra details if you want in here. So, you can do several paragraphs, whatever it is you want to do. And then you can set the date and time that you need this task to be due by as well, or if it's a repeating task that you want to schedule. And then once you're done, you simply push enter and that will create that task for you. So now you can see the task name, the description, and when it is due by. To have a look at it, you can click on it and that will expand it out. And to mark it as done, we simply tick the box to say that it has been completed. Now you can organize your tasks as well. So if we click on my task at the top, you can create a new list. So if you need to start to separate your personal things from your work things, you can simply click create new list and call this personal. And then in here, you can start to add a task to the personal list if you prefer. Now, the other thing you can do when it comes to working within Gmail and Google Tasks is, for example, say we open up this wonderful confirmation of a book that I've ordered that is due to be sent, and we need to create a reminder of something that we need to do with this. If we just close this down, across the bar across here at the top of the email, you'll see one of these is actually add to task. So we can add this whole email as a task item. Now you can change the name, so it might be follow up on book order, but you'll see here that it is actually attached a copy of that email into the task itself. So by clicking on here, we can be taken straight to the email that task relates to. All of these will also automatically show through on your Google Calendar as well. So if we start, you'll see here I've got a task tomorrow for pay rent and pay wages. So if we're jumped into my Google Calendar, anything in blue here, so you'll see here I've got a task to pay rent and pay wages tomorrow. If you're unable to see those, you can actually toggle on the left-hand side of your calendar to turn tasks on and off, and that will add and hide things as you need to.